Have you ever thought about what your favorite ice cream flavor might say about you? Maybe it's a reflection of your adventurous spirit or your comforting simplicity. Today, we'll explore that idea on a global scale. Ice cream. It's a universal treat that transcends borders, uniting us all in a shared love for this delightful dessert. From the creamy, dense texture of Italian gelato to the chewy elasticity of Turkish dondurma, our world is brimming with diverse ice cream flavors. Each one tells a story of its home country, a tale of tradition, culture, and culinary innovation. We'll journey through Italy, Japan, India, Turkey, the Philippines, Mexico, Canada, and more, discovering the unique ways they've transformed this dessert into something truly their own. We'll delve into the sweet, the savory, the crunchy, and everything in between. We'll savor the global array of flavors and textures, each contributing its own unique charm to the delightful world of frozen desserts. So are you ready to travel the world, one scoop at a time? Our first stop is Italy, the birthplace of gelato. Gelato, a luscious dessert, is renowned for its dense, creamy texture that leaves you craving for more. But what makes it so special? It all starts with a blend of whole milk, cream, sugar, and a dash of flavorings. You might opt for a classic vanilla bean, or perhaps venture into the realm of fresh fruits, or even decadent chocolate. The secret to achieving that thick, velvety texture lies in the churning process. Unlike other ice creams, gelato is churned at a slower pace. This minimizes the amount of air incorporated into the mixture, resulting in a denser, creamier treat. Each scoop of gelato is a testament to Italian craftsmanship, a delightful blend of tradition and indulgence. So the next time you're in the mood for a refreshing dessert, remember the Italian gem that is gelato. And there you have it. Creamy, dense, and oh so Italian, gelato. Next up, we're heading to Japan for a delightful fusion of tradition and innovation, mochi ice cream. This confectionery wonder combines the soft, chewy texture of mochi with the cool, creamy delight of ice cream. The magic begins with the mochi dough made from sweetened, glutinous rice flour, water, and sugar. It's as simple as it sounds, yet it results in a wonderfully elastic, subtly sweet dough. The dough is then carefully shaped into thin, round discs, ready to envelop scoops of your favorite ice cream. The choices are limitless, from traditional flavors like green tea and red bean to more adventurous ones like wasabi or black sesame. The ice cream-filled mochi is then gently wrapped, creating a neat little package of joy. As the finishing touch, these bite-sized treats are frozen, transforming them into a refreshing, sweet surprise. Each bite unveils the smooth ice cream encased within the soft, chewy mochi exterior. Mochi ice cream, a sweet surprise in every bite. Fasten your seatbelts as we embark on a rapid journey through India, Mexico, Turkey, and the Philippines. Our first stop brings us to the vibrant streets of India, where the scent of spices fills the air. Here we discover kulfi, a traditional Indian delight. This ice cream is made by simmering milk until it reduces, creating a dense, creamy base. Sugar, cardamom, saffron, and chopped nuts are added to the mix, infusing it with a rich, aromatic flavor. Once the mixture is frozen, the result is a dense, creamy ice cream that is as delightful to the palate as it is unique. Next, we jet off to Mexico, where the taste of roasted sweet corn kernels greets us. This is the foundation of corn ice cream, a dessert that captures the heart of Mexican cuisine. The roasted corn is infused into milk, then blended with cream and sugar. Sometimes a sprinkle of cinnamon or a hint of vanilla is added for an extra layer of depth. The result is a subtly sweet and creamy ice cream that embodies the spirit of Mexico. From Mexico, we travel to Turkey, home of the dondurma, an ice cream known for its chewy and elastic texture. This unique dessert is made with salep, a flour made from orchid tubers, and mastic resin, which gives it a distinctive chewiness. Milk, sugar, and often a touch of mastic or rosewater are added, creating a delightful blend of flavors and textures that is uniquely Turkish. Finally, we land in the Philippines, where the halo ice cream reigns supreme. This popular Filipino dessert is a riot of flavors and textures. Sweetened fruits, beans, jellies, and shaved ice are combined with condensed and evaporated milk to create a harmonious medley. When transformed into ice cream, the Halo Halo becomes a refreshing and indulgent treat that truly captures the essence of the Philippines. 4 countries, 4 distinct flavors, an ice cream journey like no other. From the aromatic spices of India's kulfi to the sweet, corn-infused delights of Mexico's corn ice cream, the chewy, elastic texture of Turkey's dondurma, and the vibrant, colorful mix of the Philippines' Halo Halo ice cream, we've journeyed through a world of flavors. Each country offers a unique take on this beloved dessert, showcasing the diversity and creativity that exists in the world of ice cream. Now, we're off to the Americas, where we'll explore the sweet taste of Canada and the unique creaminess found in parts of Latin America. First, let's head north to Canada, where the maple walnut ice cream is a must-try. This dessert is a delightful blend of sweet and nutty, where the earthy flavor of walnuts marries the rich sweetness of maple syrup. The process starts by creating a vanilla ice cream base, creamy and smooth. Then, we introduce the star of the show, the maple syrup. This syrup, drawn from the sap of the maple tree, adds a distinct sweetness that's unmistakably Canadian. Finally, chopped walnuts are folded in, providing a delightful crunch and a nutty counterpoint to the sweetness of the ice cream. The result is a harmonious blend of flavors and textures that is both satisfying and uniquely Canadian. Next, we journey south to explore a unique take on ice cream that's popular in various parts of Latin America: avocado ice cream. Yes, you heard it right, avocado. Known for its creamy texture and mild flavor, avocado makes an unexpectedly perfect base for ice cream. The process begins by blending ripe avocados until smooth, then condensed milk and heavy cream are added to create a rich and creamy mixture. Sometimes a splash of lime juice is added for a touch of brightness, which cuts through the creaminess and adds an interesting twist. The result is a slightly savory, creamy, and utterly delicious dessert that's a refreshing departure from traditional sweet ice creams. From the subtle sweetness of maple to the creaminess of avocado, the Americas offer a diverse ice cream experience. These unique takes on a universally beloved dessert are a testament to the creativity and diversity found in the kitchens across the Americas. So next time you're in the mood for ice cream, why not try one of these recipes and take your taste buds on a journey to the Americas? For our final stop, we're visiting a flavor loved worldwide: Tutti Frutti ice cream. This delightful treat stands out with its unique blend of candied or dried fruits folded into a vanilla or cream-based ice cream. Imagine this: a creamy swirl of vanilla or cream laden with tiny jewels of candied fruits. Each spoonful is an adventure, as you never know which fruit flavor will burst forth. Will it be the citrusy tang of orange or the sweet mellow notes of cherry? Perhaps the exotic allure of pineapple or the comforting familiarity of apple? Every bite is a surprise, a mini celebration of fruity sweetness wrapped up in creamy decadence. No wonder it's a favorite across the globe, offering a delicious way to enjoy a medley of fruits in a single scoop. So next time you're craving a fruity treat, remember the global favorite: Tutti Frutti ice cream, a medley of sweetness enjoyed across the globe. Well, we've made it to the end of our global ice cream journey. From the dense, creamy gelato of Italy to the delightful surprise of Japan's mochi ice cream, we've tasted our way around the globe. We've savored the rich, traditional kulfi of India, the delightful stracciatella of Italy, and the chewy, unique dondurma from Turkey. Our journey took us to the tropical Philippines, where we discovered the mixed delight of Halo Halo ice cream, and to Mexico, where the subtly sweet corn ice cream reigns. We ventured to the Great North to taste the harmonious blend of maple and walnut in Canada's specialty, and we've sampled the creamy, slightly savory avocado ice cream popular in various countries. Lastly, we've enjoyed the global favorite, Tutti Frutti ice cream, a delightful medley of fruits folded into a creamy base. Next time you enjoy a scoop of your favorite ice cream, remember, there's a whole world of flavors waiting for you to explore. Until next time, keep your taste buds curious.